Hey, baby.
Come on.
What? Gummy bears.
We got it already.
He got one.
Yay! Look what Cody's doing, Haley. Go look.
He crawled right to it.
Look what he's finding.
Where's Dylan? Dylan. All right, wait. Sean, get a purple basket.
No.
Oh, Dylan.
Need a
Look,
basket.
Cody figured it out right away. He's like, there's another one. There's another one.
I'm gonna get all.
All right, let your brothers get some off the floor here.
They're fine. They're finding some.
Nah, man, we want toys.
All right, Hale.
Yeah, look, there's. I see them everywhere.
Keep going. Look at her. She's like, jackpot. Boom, boom, boom. That's it? You guys are done?
They don't mind. It's just
So we're going to cook breakfast, Mommy. Oh, look at that. I didn't even know that one was there. This Easter bunny is a tricky bunny, huh? I think those might have been meant for your brothers. She missed one.
Then I need another basket.
Cody. Hi.
Papa.
Well, Roscoe found that one.
Roscoe likes them too. Uh-oh.
Roscoe thinks he's the one. I think you missed one.
Look up.
Thanks for warning me.
Thanks for warning me.
I'm gonna get him another basket.
You don't need another basket.
Yeah, I'm taking yours. Is that what you just said? All right, Hale. There's more. Look down. Keep going. What? Walk over. Walk over. What? Oh.
Can you put them in my basket? My basket. These are as much I could get.
Okay. You need to unload.
Unload.
Where'd the babies go?
They're crawling over there.
Oh.
There's